All right, in this one, we're going to add a couple of rules to you. With as far as we're going to learn the accounting equation and how it works. So the first thing is each transaction is always going to use 2 or more accounts. It always will have that. You'll have to have two, because we have to make the accounting equation balance at all times. So what I do to one side, I usually have to do to another, unless I have an asset and it's moving into another asset. For example, if I paid cash for supplies, I'm moving my cash money into my supplies. I still could sell my supplies for the same amount as I paid for them. That's the whole purpose of it. So remember, you must always use 2 accounts every single time. So down here, you're going to see the accounting equation. You should know it forward, backwards. It will be on tests, and then it just makes your life easier. So the equation is assets equals liabilities plus owner equity. That is the accounting equation. So remember that. That's always meaning our assets have to equal when we add our liabilities and our owner's equity together. So I bought supplies on an account. So I have to look right here, and it will tell you what 2 accounts you are going to be using. So I bought supplies. So right there, I have supplies. Now, what is a supply? Is it something of worth? It is. So I'm going to come down here into my equation, and I bought supplies. So I know I'm going to be adding to my supplies. And I bought it on an account. When it says on an account, that means I took a loan out through that company or whatever. So this is where kids get confused. I'm going to increase my liability, meaning I am increasing my loan. Now when I pay it off, I'll subtract it, and then I'll also subtract from my cash. But as for this transaction, we bought supplies, so we're going to add our asset, and we're going to add to a loan. Now, if I do it this way, this means my accounting equation will be equal. There's not any tilting in my accounting equation. All right, next one. I received cash. So right there I know, oh, there's an account I'm going to be using, cash. What is cash? Cash is an asset because it's something of worth. And it's from owner as an investment. Now you're not doing owner's books. You are doing the company's books. So if I give you $20, is your net worth going to go up? And it is, because you're $20 richer. Somebody invested money into you, such as for your birthday, or I know when people graduate from certain things, they get money. That's somebody investing into your future. So we're going to plus to our owner equity, which is our net worth. We do not put in liabilities because somebody is not expecting that money back. If it is an investment, they're not expecting money back per se. Okay. The third one, I paid cash. Okay, right there. I paid cash. So I'm going to subtract cash, and I got it for insurance. So I moved my cash into prepaid insurance is what it's going to be called. So it's actually going to be a plus minus on asset because I'm moving my cash into another insurance asset. Last one, number 4, I paid cash on an account. So right there, I paid cash. So I'm subtracting my cash. And I paid it on an account. Remember, on an account means it's a loan. So I am going to be decreasing my loan. So that is how that's how the basic accounting equation works. It might be a struggle at first, and we're going to go on to 1.3, and it's going to show more transactions, but keep with me and it will start to click. So thank you. Questions, please let me know.